Picture yourself on a remote mountain or sailing the open ocean, places where internet has always been out of reach. For billions, this digital divide means missing out on education, opportunity, and connection. But now, with a small device pointed at the sky, you can access the world, thanks to Starlink. Starlink is a network of satellites delivering high-speed internet anywhere on Earth, no cables required. It's not just about convenience, it's a lifeline for remote schools, clinics, and communities. So, how does a pizza box-sized dish connect you to the world? Let's dive into the science behind Starlink. Starlink is SpaceX's ambitious project to provide global internet coverage using thousands of small satellites. Instead of laying cables across mountains and oceans, SpaceX launched a constellation of satellites orbiting Earth. These satellites work together, ensuring there's always one overhead to connect you no matter where you are. The goal: fast, low-latency internet for everyone, streaming, gaming, video calls, and more. Starlink's scale is unprecedented, with thousands of satellites already in orbit and more on the way. Unlike old satellite internet, Starlink is fast, reliable, and affordable for many. It's designed for cities, rural farms, research stations, and even moving vehicles. This is a fundamental shift in global communications. Starlink is making the dream of a truly connected planet a reality. Starlink's system has three main parts: your dish, the satellites, and ground stations. The dish, nicknamed Dishy McFlatface, uses advanced antennas to track satellites overhead. Once set up, it finds the nearest satellite and sends your internet request skyward. The satellite relays your signal to a ground station which connects to the global internet. The response zips back up to the satellite, then down to your dish, all in milliseconds. Newer satellites use laser links to talk to each other in space, bypassing ground stations over oceans. This laser network lets your data hop from satellite to satellite, speeding up connections even in the most remote places. The result: fast, reliable internet, whether you're in the city or the wilderness. It's a high-speed relay race happening above our heads. That's the magic behind Starlink's global reach. Traditional satellites orbit far above Earth, causing slow, laggy internet. Starlink satellites are in low Earth orbit, over 60 times closer, so signals travel much faster. This means latency drops from over 500 milliseconds to just 20-40 milliseconds, rivaling cable and fiber. Fast-moving satellites require a dense network, so as one moves out of view, another takes over seamlessly. That's why Starlink needs thousands of satellites to keep your connection smooth and uninterrupted. The result: internet that feels as fast and responsive as any ground-based service. Starlink brings high-speed internet to places once considered unreachable: rainforests, islands, deserts, and more. It bypasses the need for ground infrastructure, making geography irrelevant. With speeds over 100 megabits per second and low latency, it supports streaming, remote work, and telehealth anywhere. The portable dish lets travelers, RVers, and sailors stay connected on the move. In disasters, Starlink can restore communication instantly, helping first responders and communities recover. It's a game-changer for bridging the digital divide and empowering people everywhere. Starlink's real impact is seen in transformed lives and communities. Remote schools now access online resources, giving students new opportunities. Villages in the Amazon use telehealth and sell crafts online, connecting to the global economy. Digital nomads and travelers work and learn from anywhere with a clear sky. Even in developed countries, rural residents finally have fast, reliable internet. Starlink is leveling the playing field, making location no longer a barrier to connection. Starlink isn't perfect. Cost is a barrier for many, with pricey hardware and monthly fees. The dish needs a clear view of the sky, so dense forests or city buildings can block the signal. Weather and network congestion can affect performance, especially as more users join. Astronomers worry about satellite streaks in the night sky and the risk of space debris. SpaceX is working on solutions, but these challenges remain as Starlink grows. Starlink is possible thanks to recent breakthroughs. SpaceX's reusable rockets have slashed launch costs, making mass satellite deployment affordable. Satellites are now built quickly on assembly lines, using off-the-shelf parts to keep costs down. The user dish uses advanced antennas once reserved for the military, now made affordable by tech advances. Powerful onboard computers and laser links let each satellite act as a smart node in a vast network. These innovations have turned the dream of global internet from space into reality. Starlink's future is even more ambitious. Direct-to-cell service will let regular smartphones connect without a dish, ending mobile dead zones. Starlink is coming to planes and ships, promising fast Wi-Fi everywhere you travel. The next-gen V2 satellites will handle more traffic and use advanced lasers for even faster connections. SpaceX's Starship rocket will launch these larger satellites, accelerating expansion. The technology could one day connect Mars, supporting future colonies and interplanetary communication. Starlink is paving the way for the networks of tomorrow, on Earth and beyond. Starlink is transforming global connectivity, turning a bold idea into reality. It's powered by reusable rockets, mass-produced satellites, and cutting-edge engineering. The mission is simple: connect everyone, everywhere. By bridging the digital divide, Starlink unlocks opportunity for students, businesses, and communities worldwide. Challenges remain, but the benefits are immense, empowering people regardless of location. Starlink is about more than technology, it's about people and a more unified planet. As the constellation grows, so does the hope for a truly connected world. The future looks bright. Consider that.